Hello first graders, this is Mr. Begay. It is December 21st, 2020. For our math lesson, we're going to focus on addition. So look right here, it says 4 plus 1. Now first graders, 4 plus 1, okay, we're going to choose one of these answers here to find 4 plus 1. But first, I want you to look here at this slide that I put up again. Now first graders, here was our question, okay? 4 plus 1. Now, as you can see here, Mr. Begay put some cubes down here. There's 10 altogether, okay? Here's what we're going to do first. When you add, you can use your fingers also, but I'm going to use these cubes so you can see what's going on and how we add. Now, that first number says, what number is this? 4. So look, Mr. Begay is going to move 4 cubes in here. Okay? We now have 4 here. 1, 2, 3, 4. But first graders, we are not done yet. We have a 1 here again. It says 4 plus 1. So how many cubes am I going to put in here now? How many? 1. I had to put 1 more in here. So watch, I'm going to put 1 in there again. So all together, first graders, let's count to get our answers. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So our answer here is going to be 5. So 4 plus 1 equals 5 because we put 4 cubes in here. And we had to add another one more in here, and you count it up, it's going to be 5. If you want to use your fingers, put up 4 fingers, and then put 1 more up, count all your fingers, you should get 5 again, okay? Good job, first graders. Now, let me move these back down really quick, and let's move on to our next math problem. Ready? Now, here we go. So our answer, 4 plus 1 equals what? 5. So, here we go now. Now, first graders, we have a different set of addition problem here. It says 1 plus 5 equals. Okay, we have to choose one of these answers here. But first, we're going to come back here now. So, we now have 1 plus 5, and we have equals there. So first graders, what's this first number right here? 1. So watch. I'm going to move 1 cube in here now. This 1 cube represents that 1 there. But we are not done yet. It says 1 plus 5. So how many more cubes do we have to put in here? How many more? 5. So watch Mr. Begay now. I'm going to count, right? Watch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now look at that. Now we have our problem set up now. Because look, we put 1 cube here, which represents that 1, plus 5. So we added 5 more cubes here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, first graders, we just add them all up now. We add these cubes up. Ready? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So our answer here is going to be what? 6. So there's our answer there. So 1 plus 5 equals 6 because all together there are 6 cubes here. Now, first graders, with your finger, put 1 finger up now on your hand. Put 1 finger up, and then put up 5 more fingers. When you put up 5 more fingers, you should have total, when you count your fingers, 6. Okay, good job. Now, let's move on to our next math addition problem. Okay, now here we go. Let me erase that. Let's come back here. So the answer, 1 plus 5 equals what? 6. Okay, good job. Now let's come here. Okay, now first graders, it says 3 plus 9 equals, okay? We can do the same thing here again. Now, let's come back here. Now, since we only have 10 cubes, let me add one more here to give us what we need, okay? Let me add another one. Let's just go up to 15 with our cubes, so that way we'll be set, okay? Now, here we go. So our problem said 3 plus 9 equals, okay? Same thing, first graders. We're going to do the same thing, okay? Now look right here first. 3 plus 9 equals. We have to have a number here. Now, what's this first number here? 3. So watch me. I'm going to put 3 cubes up here now. Okay, watch. Now we have 3 cubes there. That represents that 3 there. Now it says plus 9. So first graders, now how many do we have to put down here? 9, okay? Watch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So look at that now. We now have 9 cubes at the bottom, which represents that 9, and we have 3 cubes up here that represents that 3. Now, first graders, all we're going to do is add them up, okay? Count with Mr. Begay now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So our answer, first graders, is going to be 12 there. So 3 plus 9 equals 12. Based on what we made here, okay? Now, so 3 plus 9 equals 12. Now, let's come back to our other screen. Let Mr. Begay take these off so that way we'll be set for our next math problem that we're going to bring up. Okay, so 3 plus 9 equals 12. Let's come back here now. Let's see if there's a 12 in there. 3 plus 9 equals what? 12. Good job. Look at it. It's right here. Let's click it, see if we are correct. Good job. We are correct. Now, first graders, look right here now. 2 plus 0 equals, we have to get a number here, okay? 2 plus 0 equals. Now, let's come back here. So, our problem said there, 2 plus 0 equals, okay? We have to have a number here. We get an answer here. Same thing, first graders. We look at this first number here. What is this first number? 2. So we're going to grab 2 cubes. Mr. Begay is going to put 2 right there. That represents that 2 there. Now it says 2 plus 0. So first graders, how many do I put down here? 0. So I don't put anything right here. No cubes. Do not move in here because look at that. That number is 0. So first graders now, let's just count this up because here's our answer already. Let's count. 1, 2. So our answer here is going to be 2 based on what we drew here, okay? Our picture shows us, okay? Because look, 2 plus 0 equals 2. Good job. Now, let me move these back down. Now, let's see if there's an answer 2 on this page. Ready? 2 plus 0 equals what? 2. Look at that. It's right here again. Let's see if we are correct. We are correct. Good job. Now let's come here. 0 plus 7 equals. Now we have to get a number here now. First graders, let's come back here now. So, our math problem is this. Our addition problem. 0 plus 7 equals, and we have to have a number here. Now, first graders, let's look here at this first number. How many do I put up here? 0, nothing. none of these cubes are going to go up here because that says 0. You don't put anything up there. But let's move on to this next number. It says now, 0 plus 7 equals, and we have to get an answer here. So look here. What number is this? 7. So watch Mr. Begay. I'm going to put 7 of these cubes here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So look at that. Look at our picture that we have here now. There's nothing up here because that number says 0. But there's another number here we're working with. It says 7. So let's count up our answer here. Ready? Okay. Count with Mr. Begay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So our answer is going to be 7. So 0 plus 7 equals 7 because look at our picture here. It tells us that the answer is going to be 7. Now, let me shift these down really quick again. And let's go back to the other page and see if there is a 7 there, okay? 0 plus 7 equals what? 7. Let's click it, see if we are correct. Good job, we are. Now let's come here to our next math problem. It says 3 plus 6 equals, okay, we have to have a number here again. Let's come back here. 3 plus 6 is what we have now. Now, there's our math addition problem. 3 plus 6. Now, first graders, what's this first number here? 3. So how many cubes do I have to put here? 3. So let's put them here. 1, 2, 3. Now we have this first number is complete, but we have another number here. It says 3 plus 6. So first graders, what's this second number? 6. So I have to put 6 cubes here at the bottom now. 6. Watch me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So look at that, first graders. We now have our problem set up. We have our picture here that shows us what the answer is going to be. 3 cubes are here because that first number is 3. 6 is here because there's 6 cubes here. Okay? Now, all we do is count it all up. Now, count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So our answer here is going to be 9, okay? There's our problem now. 3 plus 6 equals 9. Now, let's see if there's a 9 here. Is there a 9? Yes, look. 3 plus 6 equals 9. Let's see if we are correct. Good job, we are. Now, let's come to this next addition problem. It says 2 plus 2 equals blank. There's no answer here, but we have to choose one of these. Now let's come back here now. Let's change our problem now, okay? Because it said 2 plus 2 equals. Now, let me shift these cubes back down here, okay? Now first graders, look at that addition problem up there. Now, what's that first number that we are working with? What number is that? 2. So what we're going to do is we have to put 2 cubes up here. So look, 1, 2. 2 cubes have to go up here now. Now we're done with that first number. We come here to this second number. What is this number here? What's that number? 2. So down here again, we have to put 2 cubes there. Okay, watch. Now look. We have our picture set up. Now all we're going to do is count this to get our answer here. Now first graders, count with Mr. Begay. 1, 2, 3, 4. So our answer here is going to be 4. 2 plus 2 equals 4 because we made the picture here. This first number is 2, so there's 2 cubes here. This number is 2, and since we're adding, we put 2 more cubes here. Add them up, you get 4. Now let's see if 4 is here. 2 plus 2 equals what? 4. So we're going to click this here. We are correct. Okay, let's come here now. This is going to be a good problem for us to look at. 4 plus 10 equals 3. Now let's come here. 4 plus 10 equals, let's get rid of that 4 because we're going to get a new number there. Let me drag these down. Now look, first graders. We're going to look at this first number here. What number is that? 4. So watch, I'm going to put 4 there. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Look at that now. We have the first number here is right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're done now with that 4. It says add 10. So how many down here are we going to add now? How many cubes? 10. So watch Mr. Begay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So look at that, first graders. We have our picture here now. 4 cubes are up here on top because that first number is 4. There's 10 down here because that number there says 10. Now all we do is we're going to add them up. Count with Mr. Begay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So number 14 is going to go there. There's our answer now. Everything is finished. 4 plus 10 equals 14. Let's see if there's a 14 over here. 4 plus 10 equals... Good job. Look, 14 is right here. Let's click to see if it is correct. Good job, it is. Okay, let's do one more math problem, first graders. 1 plus 10 equals... And we have to get our answer here. Let's come back here. So this problem is 1 plus 10 equals... And let me move that. Now let me move these back down now, first graders, okay? Now first graders, if you look at our math problem up there, the addition problem, it says 1 plus 10 equals blank. We need an answer there. So first graders, what is that first number we're working with? What number is this? 1. Good job. So I'm going to get 1 cube and put it right here again. Okay, that first number is complete for us. Now, how many cubes do I need on the second row? 10. So watch. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So look, we have 10 now on the second row. Now look, there's 1 cube here because 1 is right there. And there's 10 cubes here because that number says plus 10. Now all we do is add them up, first graders. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So our answer here is going to be 11, okay? So 1 plus 10 equals 11 based on what our picture shows us here. Now let's come back here. 1 plus 10 equals what? What was that number? 11. So we have to choose this one, okay? 11. There we go.